Let's be honest. Half the reason I got these was because they looked cool. The other half, I needed a dad mug upgrade. This is the JoyJolt Savor double wall glass set. Fancy name, fancy cups, still dad proof. They come wrapped tighter than a kid's burrito attempt. Bubble wrapped and boxed like fine china, only cooler. First thought when I unwrapped it, oh wow, I might actually drink water in this thing. I poured in a red drink for dramatic effect. You know, to feel like a mixologist and not just a guy with a juice box. Yes, I spilled. Yes, I cleaned it up with my dad reflexes. It happens, we move on. Feels light in the hand, but solid enough to survive a dad bump. You know, when your kid jumps into you mid-sip. Coffee, tea, random leftovers from the fridge, whatever you pour, it's gonna look good. These mugs make me feel like I've got my life together, even if I'm still reheating the same cup of coffee 3 times. This review's brought to you by Dad's Got It. Check the link and treat yourself. You deserve at least one grown-up cup.